Hit something, my friend. Nice. Come on. Grapes. Nice. Multi. Ugh. Wow. Thanks, my friend. We need more. Oh no, that's been, bro. Okay, banana? Pwede pa, banana. Watermelon, please. Please. Oh, nice. Please. Green. Ah, nice. Hello, guys, and welcome back to another session with me, KJ. And today, tayo magbabalik dito sa paborito kong game, which is si Sweet Bonanza. Kung di nyo pa nahalata, paborito ko tong game na to. So, meron tayong 50k. Let's see kung saan mapupunta tong 50k na to. Hopefully, makakuha tayo ng big win kaagad. At wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's start. And, sana tumama tayo today. Intro agad. Sana tumama agad. Watermelon? Oh. Kasi ayoko na ng comeback. Dapat ang casino ang maghabol sa atin. Yawa. Please, meron pa ba tayo dyan? Holy shit. Please, blue. Oh, nice. Multi? Yes, sir. Okay. Almost money back. Uy, more? Ay, go. Sayang. Okay. Sige, sanay naman na tayo. Sanay na tayo. Patience lang, pichas. Patience is the key. Whoa. Okay. Watermelon? What? Nice hit. Hindi ko na mahanap kasi. Oh my gosh! Please, banana. Blue. Oh, peaches? Nice. Blue. Nice. One more. Wow. Let's go. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. Ayoko maghabol. Dapat ako yung hinahabol. Let's go. Nice hit. Ew. Lah. Sabay nag-dead spin lahat, oh. Please, multi. Oh, shit. That's huge pa rin pala. Nice. Wow. We need more. Let's go. Ta-da-da. Please. Times 100, please. Banana? Oh, clear ang coast. Pinks. Ah, sayang. Okay lang. Uy. Watermelon? Ay, shit. Grapes di ay. Oh, please, multi. Grapes. Multi? Retrigger na lang. Nice. Retrigger? Wow. Nice hit. Let's go. Sweet Bonanza is doing it again. Oh, banana? Shit. Kung tumama to, tingin ko tutama lahat ng tambay. Patay ka diha. Stressy si ate mo, elves. Please. Please, watermelon. Nice win. Nice win. Tuloy mo pa. I'll take 50k. No profit and I'll go out. Huwag tayo maging greedy. Please. Nice. Okay. Maybe retrigger? Or multi na lang. Oh, please. Peaches. Nice. Apple, banana. Apple. Multi. Yawa, multi. Nice. Wow. Let's go. Money back. Please, apple. Retrigger. Shit. Watermelon. Come on, banana. Sobrang ganda ng board. Please, blue. Peaches? Kaso na ng ibang multi. Everything is profit. I have no complaints. Oh, retrigger. Let's go. Asa naman times 100? Blue. Blue? Please, isang blue. Nice! Nice! Times 20. Wow! Let's go! Isa pa. Marami pa tayong spins. Hey! Premiums are hitting. Bruh! Watermelon blue. Char. Okay. Sabi ko, kukuha na ako agad ng profit eh. Nagbibigay pa eh. Nagbibigay pa eh. Okay. Grapes. Kinulang ng isa. Okay lang. Please. No dead spins. Come on. Eto na nga sinasabi. Nice! Wow! Let's go! Ha! One hit. I'm on fire! Asa naman ang hit na to, guys? Let's go! We're on fire! Please. I'll take 150k. Biglang tumaas. Hindi natatalo eh. So, why not maging greedy? Banana? Woo! Grapes? Multi? Oh! Blue, 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 blue. Nice! Multi pa. Please. Please, green? Shit! Kinulang ng isa. Wow. Payday. Retrigger? Today is payday. Hey. Please, joke lang. Peaches? Nice. Watermelon. Sayang, hindi nag-connect yung bracelet. Anyway, still, money back. 2 spins. Okay. Kung tinaasan ko kaya yung bet ko, huwag na tayo maging greedy. Hindi natin kailangan maging greedy. Please. Ay. Okay? Okay. Please, we need more. Oh! Ay, hindi nasundan. Please. May straight tayo. May straight tayong iniingatan. Nako po, na-break na ang sumpa. Is this it? Babawian na ba tayo ni Sweet Bonanza? Hindi. Pag nanalo to, win-win-win, lose. Win-win-win, lose. Ganon yung magiging scenario na ito. Tingnan niya, guys. Hala. Uy! Please, green. Pag tumama yung green, sabog. Tapos ang boxing. Please, can we get premiums? No? Binabawi na. Binabawi na. Hey, pinks, please. Pass sila. Binabawi na. Please, I need to hit. 1 times 100 lang, aalis na ako. Please. Ay, 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 ay. Ay. Patay na. Putang. Okay. Save, 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 save. Please. Oh my God. Huh. Don't tell me dead spin lahat. 15 spins? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Huh? Win or lose? Win or lose, I'll take profit. Gago. 10 spins, dead spins. Win or lose, I'll take profit. Please, don't be dead spin. Ah! Putang ina. Putang ina. Please, any multi. Shit. Ito na nga sinasabi. Kapag greedy ka, please, we need multi. Grapes, peaches, multi, watermelons. Okay. Okay pa, okay pa. Last. Greedy motherfucker. Last, isang tama lang, I'm out. Isang tama lang, I'm out. Please. Please, isang tama lang. Nice, watermelon. Puta. Peaches. Watermelon, blue. Ah! Please. Oh my God, please hit. Panalo na, natalo pa. Oh, please. We need more. I cannot go out. I cannot go out. Please, blue. Isang tama lang. Nice. Multi. Please, watermelon. Ka-cute sa multi. Oy, puta. Come on. Ang cute. Please, 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 please. I will go out. Promise. I need a hit. Nice. Retrig. Peaches. Watermelon blue. Oh, nice. Retrig ulit. Nice, nice. We're back. Ah, please hit something, bro. Parang awam na. Be! Hi! Putang nina. Wow! Dead spin lahat? Wow! Really? Sure na ni bay? Putang ina. Binawi lang. Mauubos pa ata ako. Greedy. Kasi. Please. Please, do it. Hit. I-hit mo lahat. Yan. Watermelon. Ooh, sanggala. Please. Pabawi. Come on. Please, peaches. Watermelon. Still lang, greedy kasi. Panalo na, natalo pa. For the bawi lang. Ka-stress. Come on. Hit something, my friend. Nice. Come on. Grapes. Nice. Multi. Ugh. Wow. Thanks, my friend. We need more. Oh no, that's been, bro. Please. Multi. Hey. Come on. Can we hit this kind of, ano? Wala talaga. Okay, banana? Pwede pa, banana. Watermelon, please. Please. Oh, nice. Please. Green. Ah, nice. Let's go. Let's get it. Isa pa? Ayoko na. I'll take the profit dito, guys. Mukhang natotrauma na ako eh. And mukhang uubusin ni Sweet Bonanza kapag bumili pa ako, guys. So, I'll end the video here. Okay na yun, 42k profit. Ayoko na maging greedy. Ayoko mag-regret sa huli. So, bet responsibly, guys. And hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow na yung ating Facebook page. And I'll see you to our next session. Bye!